The office of the president in 2021, not the general report or diaba, cited say Omampeni has spent over 466 million Ghana cedis on goods and services in Kwan. Now, we are not about to say we are in this together. What I say? Who spending this amount of money, a whooping amount of money, about 466 million Ghana cedis? Who did we are? No, say
we are in this together.
We are in this together. COVID Secretariat, over 12.6 million Ghana cedis. Ni are spending. No, say we are in this together. Look, I feel strongly say, I'm paying not nano ne kan keke. On feeling ni komuno because as a wenyana who said tam, and na already me.
Yeah, the 68 million cedis. A past question in the year 2020-2021 was candidate.
Yes,
68 million.
Yes,
yeah, the top past question. Kwala trewi ya no mutugu ye.
Yes,
San kwala we na kotre answer. Omo say oma pa mentino. Ye the president atem.
Look, ye na ye ko school ni bi. Ye na ye ko primary school ni bi. Ye na ye sua de ba bedu ba bi ye dri. Yes, be nim say sabin president say ye tubu top past question say de man enkra. So musia. For what? Nipa this this is share way by the pakron nanim guas should bad he said in shame. And some who said no, Ghana we are not running a banana economy. We are not running economy yeah obiabet me any ope. Baby yedri. Go if you ask yourself say, and he father na ye free eba bedru baby yedri. E dey ti eba bedru ha. Eba bedru anu because ya mo ye bra yi. Look, make my 2016 edebani na no ye obi nanado me gd say he was doing everything possible to stabilize the economy, not knowing he said now it was under IMF. Under IMF for na manage the economy ni maye inte nanado enya dim papa after few years IMF for you almost free one more yes yankwa IMF biem no. Now we are running begging these same people to come and help us with just $3 billion per when we have wasted about $30 billion to illegal mining. Yes, IMF formed $3 billion. Near for stabilizing the economy. 2020 report, as say, you lose $30 billion to illegal mining. Sika galamse for Afa Ghana Hanu say Aqua Manone, Aqua Kwedi Abainsen, over $30 billion. Near Nambia $3 billion. Are we okay? I keep asking this question. Say the managers of the economy are not thinking straight. Enya banisu so nya kukudro. Enya kukudro say me minister we odisem hunu. Yempamono. No, waso anya saade no. The opposition started calling on the head of Kwakwajima Menu. Osu nyina di china. Fine, noted. The opposition are calling for the head of Kero Foriata. Also, there be Ghana for calling the head of Foriata. Also, there be your own ministers, your own MPs are calling for the head on the head of Foriata. Also, teaching that time. Oh, the same person at Nahonomo. You are telling us to say in the absence of Keno Foriata, nobody can be the finance minister. At a point, na Keno Foriata okwasan ho yare. Ano no kra no ngin disobetimi ababiem. Kra na position da honomo twen. Ada odene wo sumase dwadi bia ye nim ana Keno Foriata na na do Akufo-Addo mo wo sumase dwadi bia ye nim ana enne as we speak ukuta 100 Ghana cedis untumi fa top petrol more than 1 gallon baby Ghana bedruni as you see petrol is about 78 Ghana cedis 1 gallon aye this start car whereas elsewhere years back now about 12 Ghana cedis pay. Yes, the economy minimum ye. But I can tell you, Sir Kofi, Nanado and the MPP government is a disgrace to our democracy. They are a disgrace to our economy. They are a disgrace to because the way we manage the economy, no musi kasa bebrebe say we have the men. Na akwakodru baby edri. It tells me say they don't have the competent men.
Okay.
Where are they? And now say papa dan ye 24 onfa. A man no are the men working and papa dan enter foot to now say what is really happening?
God is in control.
Kofi Say yenjai sa nneema ni bi. Ne ya man omapayin na Nana Akufo-Addo ehunu se Ghana no enya hini a odi na ye tumi a oba betena so no owi a wagya hono mu akwa. Ya reminding na ebedru ba bi no omapayin bi obeba bi abebre. Ni akasa obesa omapayin nso abon. But meanwhile foundation na nipa kro no beleye no e foundation is extremely bad. There is no way I know say fuel price besa akọ da chibi.
Never.
There is no way a petrol price diesel beko da chibi. There's no way enyema betumi asan akọ da chibi. But the same sika na wo je no, the same sika na spend. That is the same money that we use. So you can't buy anything. Kofi, ya hwe ni ya.
Things are hard.
Ya hwe ni ya me asem akọ America ne say Kofi ye fa sa asem mu ye fa to onu mu ye pa. Ye ba be increase akrofo e wo krom hard mu say. Hardened criminals.
We pray we don't get there.
I just sincerely pray we don't get there. But if you are not careful, the same boys on the street who are begging will be chasing us at night with cutlasses and guns. Because and these are vibrant people who are taking over tomorrow. Now say omo be take over tomorrow. Na so munya djuma ye. Omunya ni da so bia. Na say kakra bi selected few. And na ADD me. These same people will be chasing us with cutlasses, knives, and guns at night. And that will be very dangerous a place to stay. Awo ye mamu hanu say.
Obolo mra mo na yenye enidwa kakra. Obolo.
Na yemfa sena kese yemfa ma enumeko yi a